Right, just carrying on from where we left with question 2 in our previous video. Question 2 says that 10% of the pupils in a class are left-handed and 15% wear glasses. Assume that the hand they write with and the glasses wearing are independent, which means they don't affect each other. Find the probability that a pupil picked at random is right-handed. Now, a student could either be left-handed or right-handed, not both. So the chance that a student is right-handed is basically 10%. It means that the chance that a student is going to be left-handed is going to be 90%, right? Because the probability of two things, in our case, a child being right-handed or left-handed, these are the only options. That's going to add up to 100%. So the chance that is right-handed is 10%. The chance that another that's left-handed is going to be 90%, that being a student. Okay? So probabilities normally add up to 1 or 100%. So if I got right-handed ones being 10, then the left-handed ones are going to be 90, 100 being the full number. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, so here we're going to have the answer going to be, actually I've done the opposite. Just give me a sec. That's going to be left-handed. And that's going to be right-handed. Yeah, say it out. Okay. 10% of the pupils in a school are left-handed, which means that the chance of a student being left-handed is 10 out of 100. That means, therefore, that the chance that a student picked at random is right-handed would be 90 out of 100, because both of these should add up to 100%. Okay. Now, the chance that doesn't wear glass. Now, those who are wearing glasses, probably somebody's wearing glass, let me say that is G, is basically 15%. This means that the remaining 85% are those who are not wearing glasses. So let me use NG, not wearing glasses. That's going to be 85%. Okay, because a student will either be wearing a glass or not wearing a glass. So altogether, they should add up to the full number, which is 100%. Okay, so 15 plus 18, 85 is 100%. Okay, here he wears glasses and is left-handed. So wearing glass, the chance of wearing glass was 15%. And the chance of being left-handed was basically 10%. So all we need to do is to times them because you use the word and. Okay, wearing glass is 15%, being left-handed is 10%, and we want to see a student who does both of them. So we use the word, we times there. So 15 times by 10 is going to be 150%. But there's something wrong with that if you do that. Okay, if you say it's going to be 150%, then that's wrong. So what you need to do is to write them up as a fraction. So it's 10 out of 100. Okay. Now when you times the top number with fraction, you also have to times the bottom number. And all you need to do is to simplify. Okay. So if I simplify, that goes with that. 15 divided by 1,000 is going to be 0.015. Okay. So the chance that a student is doing is wearing glass and is left-handed at the same time is basically 0.015. Okay. Now for the last one, doesn't wear glass and is right-handed. Now, doesn't wear glass is basically 85%. Right-handed is basically 90%. So all you need to do is to times these two together. You just times this together. When you're timesing, remember, the bottom number is 100. Remember, the bottom number is 100. So if you times the top using your calculator and you times the bottom, then you just divide them. So that's going to be the answer to that. Okay. So what you might want to do is to pause the video now and mark your work there. So pause the video and mark your work. Okay, hope you done well on that. I would like you now to pause the video again and try question 3. So pause the video and try question 3. Okay, hope you try that. It says a bag contains 10 colored balls. So all the balls altogether are 10. 5 of them are red. So the chance that a ball is red is going to be 5 out of 10 because there are 10 altogether. And then 3 of them are blue. So the chance that a ball is going to be blue when picked at random is going to be 3 out of 10. Okay. Now a ball is taken from the bag at random, then replaced. A second ball is then selected at random. Find the probability that both reds are red. Now we forgot that the other balls as well, so let's call them other. We don't know whether they're pink or something. That's going to be 2 out of 10 because so far I've got 8. 5 plus 3 is 8 out of 10. So that means that the leftover are 2 out of 10. That's something that we need to understand first. Now, you pick in at 2 balls. One, put it back, then take another one. I want to find the chance that they're both reds. The chance that they're both reds will mean that the first one is red and the second one is red. And when you use the word times and you times, first one being a red is 5 out of 10. You put it back. Second one being a red again is going to be 5 out of 10. Okay. And then you just simplify that. That's going to be 25 over 100 over there for you. Okay, so 5 over 100. And you can simplify that, becomes 0.25 if you change that to decimal. Okay. That both balls are blue. So you're going to have the chance that a ball is blue is 3 out of 10. So that's going to be 3 over 10. And another blue again is 3 out of 10. So that's going to be 9 out of 100. Okay, so 9 out of 100. That's what I want you to understand there. Now, see that neither ball is blue. That neither ball is blue. Now, which means that we're going to just find out the chance that the first ball is not blue. So let's say not blue. And the second one is not blue again. So that's how you can set it up. Yeah, so the first one is not blue. And the second is also not blue. Now, not blue means that the ball you've picked could be red or it could be other. Now, red or other is 7 out of 10. So that's the opposite to that. So 7 out of 10. Okay. If the chance of picking blue is 3 out of 10, the opposite, the chance of not picking blue is 7 out of 10. Yeah. Blues are 3 out of 10. Non-blues are 7 out of 10. You put the ball back again, the chance of picking something that is not blue, again, is going to be 7 out of 10. Okay. The blues are 3s, not blues are 7. That's what you're doing here. So 7 times 7 is 49, and then 10 times 10 is 100. And you can change that one to decimal, or you can write as a percentage. Okay. So this is 49% or 0.49. Okay. So that's how to do that. If you just want to pause the video quickly and then mark your work. So pause the video and mark your work. Okay, hope you've done well on that.